What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome software to recover deleted data from any device. This software can recover all your deleted data like photos, music, documents, videos, audios, and more. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download and install this software. So we need to go ahead and download AnyRecover data recovery, so let's go ahead and do this. First, go to AnyRecover.com. As you see, this is the official website. Now here, go into products and then select data recovery. Just go ahead and select the version you want to use. If you have a Windows, click here to download Windows version, and if you have a Mac, select Mac version. AnyRecover is also available for both Android and iOS. So let's go ahead and click on Mac version because I'm using a Mac. As you see, AnyRecover allows you to recover more than 1000 file types like photos, music, documents, videos, and more. Now just go ahead and hit download. The software is now downloading. After downloading the file, go ahead and open it. Once you unzip the file, you will get this file. Go ahead and open it to install it. Double tap to install AnyRecover data recovery. Click agree here and hit install. This may take up to 5 minutes. Now type your Mac password and hit OK. As you see, the installation has been completed successfully. Alright, this is the software. This data recovery software, guys, as I said, allows you to recover any type of data, and it allows you to preview the files before recover it. Okay, as you see here, you can recover deleted data from devices and drives like your Mac, hard drives, flash drives, and more. Or you can recover deleted data from a specific location. This software also gives you an advanced features like recover data from crashed computer and video repair. Now you just need to go ahead and select where you want to recover data from. In my case, I lost the data in my flash drive by mistake. As you can see here, my flash drive is completely empty and doesn't contain any file. Now I'm gonna use the software to see if it is able to recover my deleted data or not. Okay, I'm gonna select my flash drive, which is this one here. Alright, just wait for the scan to finish. It may take some time. And as you see, the scan has been completed. As you see here, this software found more than 12 gigabytes of deleted data. Here you can see the files by tab, which makes it easier for you to find the files you want. And of course, this software allows you to preview the files before they are recovered. You can find any kind of data you lost. As you see here, there are many types of files that can be recovered. Now choose the files that you want to recover. I will choose all the photos. Okay, I will also choose some videos. I will choose this. Okay, go ahead and click recover. Here, make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have one, just sign up. Okay, I will sign into my account. After signing in, click on account icon and type your registration code. I will type my code here, hit OK, and boom. As you see, now I have the full version of this software. The free version allows you to recover only 200 megabytes of deleted data. Alright, click recover. Choose where you want to save the data, and very important note, guys, don't save the data in the same location from which you want to recover deleted data. This may cause permanent data loss, so make sure to save it to another location. In my case, I want to recover the data from my flash drive, so I won't save it in the same place I want to recover data from. I will save it to my Mac. Now just wait a few seconds. Okay, the data has been recovered successfully. I will take a look. As you see, guys, the files are still working fine. You will find all files by tab, which makes it easier to search for the last files you want. The software allows you also to save the scan result for later recovery, so you can save it and see the files again at another time. The next time you want to see the deleted data again, just open this file that you saved and you will see the scan results without searching again. Okay, now I will try to recover data from my Mac. I will select my Mac, which is this one here. Alright, just wait for the scan to finish, it may take some time. Okay, the scan has been completed. As you see, the software found about 400 gigabytes of deleted data and more than 150,000 photos on my device, and also about 2,000 videos. Here in other data you can see many types of files. You can select and recover any file you want. Okay, now choose the data you want to recover. I will choose the music. Alright, click recover. Now choose where you want to save the data, and don't forget guys, don't save the data in the same location from which you want to recover deleted data. I want to recover deleted data from my Mac, so I won't save it in the same place I want to recover data from. I will save it to my flash drive. Now just wait a few seconds, it may take some time. And as you see, the data has been recovered successfully. I will take a look. As you see, the files are still working fine. AnyRecover software allows you to recover data from Mac OS, Windows, iOS, and Android. AnyRecover can recover all your deleted files from any device and lets you preview the lost files before they are recovered, help you recover data and quickly find the files you need. You will find the download link below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.